Hello, I'm Justin Bennett, Director of Engineering here at Ciholas Incorporated, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about our CUWB monitor. The CUWB monitor is a tool that we provide to our clients and users that allows users to see the various data packets that are generated by our CUWB network system. This is an important tool for users because it allows them to see that they have their network operating and to debug if they're having any issues, and it provides an independent tool that allows them to check that their network is running properly. So today I've fired up the CUWB monitor here on my screen, and I have one of our interns running a tag around our warehouse so that we can see some data coming from the system. When you fire up the CUWB monitor, the first thing that you see is a network discovery window. This window has the different ports that CDP packets are being generated on. CDP packets are Ciholas data protocol. Every device in the network sends Ciholas data protocol packets, and this tool is basically going to show all of them. So I'm going to select the external and internal streams. Those are the data coming from the anchors into the CUWB net, and the external is the position data coming from the network. When I select those streams, I can now see that I have a multitude of anchors on the system that are sending some information. In this CUWB monitor tool, anything that is blue is clickable. You can click on it and it shows what we call a plotter. So I clicked on an anchor there, and one of the things that I can see from that anchor are a couple of different packets. If the tool understands a packet, it will show a string for the data type. It will show a count of the number of packets that have been received and the frequency of reception. So now I'm going to I clicked on an anchor, now I'm going to click on our CUWB net. The CUWB network itself has an ID starting with F, and this is generally where the data coming from the network will be. So in here you can see that we have position packets, we have distance packets, this distances between two different devices. We have accelerometer, gyro, magnetometer, all of the various different things that you might see from a CUWB network. There are a couple of interesting things you can do here. On any packet that's coming across the system, we have this little print key. If you select that, it will start printing the data for that packet out to the screen. So you can see on my little terminal there that the position data is now being printed to the screen. I can turn that off. If I want a historic printing, I can click on the count and it will print the last 100 or so packets, just stream them out to the stream. In addition to those text-based tools, we also have several plotters. So anything that you click on, again, generates a window, and many of those windows are actually various plotters that are used on the system. So there I'm plotting the accelerometer for that tag. I can plot the gyro. So when I pull up this gyro window, it shows me all the tags on the system. In this system, I only have one. I click on that tag and it'll show me the gyroscope data for that tag. And if I can get back to that window, I can also I did Excel, gyro, I can also show the magnetometer data for that tag. So just various tools that we've built for our users that allow you to see what's going on with the network. You might be having some issues with anchors or tags generating various data, and we want to provide this to our users as a way to show them that yes, the network is working, we are getting data out, and that allows users to kind of tell whether they're having an issue with their tools or with system setup in general. Thank you for watching today. We are Ciholas. We fill the gap from chip to app.